Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are getting into my first Sephora Play Box in a very, very long time. I just opened it. I haven't looked at any of the products and I'm super excited to get into this. The box says love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play. Ooh. And then, ooh, we have this, which is their nice pack of stuff. And then we have this little bag here, which says beauty or back to beauty school. Ooh, it's kind of cute. I actually like the pink and the yellow. So we're just going to dive right in. I am going to open this because I want to know prices of things, but I'm not going to look and try and see until, yeah. If they have prices. They might not. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out of here is from Makeup Forever. It's their Artist Rouge Cream. Ooh, what shade is this in? C211. Do they have like, yep, shade C211. Now we're gonna look at and see. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's very pretty mauvey. We're gonna put this on right now. It's probably not even gonna go with what I have. Sorry, my dog's in the room playing with her toy. Peach, go. Go, Peach. Good girl. Sorry. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good too. Definitely a color I'd wear. I like that. I've never tried anything from Makeup Forever, so I'm kind of excited. Why don't they? Okay, so they don't have prices or anything on this thing, so we're just gonna keep on going. The next thing is a foil packet, and this is from Way Hair Care, and it's their shampoo and conditioner. This is their repair shampoo and conditioner. I am kind of curious to try this. I have liked Way products in the past, so I'll definitely give this a go. The next thing here is the Monsieur Big Mascara Grand Volume. I'm curious to see what the wand looks like. Okay, this is weird. It's like little. That looks like a decent wand. We can give this a try for sure. This is a Lancome mascara. The next thing I have here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I like the packaging. Okay, I don't know why I smelled that. Don't smell it. It smells disgusting. That was gross. Do not recommend smelling that. I do kind of want to try this though. I mean, I have stuff on my brows, but ooh. The good thing is you can't smell it from your brows. But I do feel like that would help everything kind of stay in place. I don't know. That'll be fun to play around with. Okay. What else do we have in here? Ooh, we have something else from Lancome. The Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. So this, according to this, is a powerful anti-aging serum that improves the appearance of skin's radiance, tone, and smoothness. I definitely want to try that. Now, the last thing in here is something else from Way Hair Care, and it's their volume spray. I'm actually excited about this. I have very flat hair, and I definitely could use a volume spray. So, totally gonna give this a try. Overall, I'm pretty happy with everything I got. I mean, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Yeah, and I'm pretty excited to try it all. I think it's cool that I got 2 things from Lancome. I never tried anything from Makeup Forever, so I'm super excited about that. Anastasia Beverly Hills and Way. So I'm pretty happy about what I got here. Again, I apologize for my dog. Dogs. But she's in a playful mood today, so that's a good thing. But I'm overall pretty excited. I think these are awesome, and I can't wait to see what next month's box has in it. Overall, this is a great box. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!